Man, what a beautiful day. I just had to capture this. Hey, it's Brian G. Welcome to Colorado Springs.
Howdy.
So I wanted to create a bunch of YouTube tips that you can use to move forward and get great results with your channel. And it really begins with just getting out and creating content. My butt got snow on it.
Howdy.
Okay, here's another tip for me, and if it helps you, great. Two poodles in the back. Do what's uncomfortable. Make yourself do the stuff you know you gotta do. Like, I don't need to be carrying this darn thing around to go run errands, but yes, I do. If I want to capture more footage, if I want to capture more fun moments, if I want to create something I haven't created before, I've got to be willing to do something I haven't done before.
Well, howdy, stranger.
The thing is like Olive is killing me. I'm just trying to get her in the shot and she doesn't like it when I start filming. Hey, what's crackin'? I just thought I'd share a quick, simple tip that'll help you to make better videos. So here's what I got going on right now. I got a couple crazy poodles, namely one Olive. Can we get, there's Olive right there. And I got a tripod. And one of the things I've always really loved to do is shoot time lapses with my iPhone. You see, it took me a long time to figure this out, but it's not about the gear. It's about the ability a YouTube creator has to create all different types of content that can dramatically improve their videos. Oh, by the way, I'm also barbecuing. So anyway, like I was saying, my goal is tomorrow morning, I want to shoot a time lapse that way. That's east, and if you kind of look out, there's the city, right? City, and it's beautiful sunrises in the morning here. And then of course, over the mountain, over that way, we've got the beautiful sunsets. And the problem is right now is I just had the tripod back here with the tripod, and I was kind of looking at the angles, and the problem is I've got the grill and I've got all this crap in the way. We've had a lot of windstorms and everything is like in this corner, and I need to set the tripod up right next to the railing so I can clear this, oops, sorry about that. This is crazy. I can clear the ceiling here. So basically I'm using a wide angle lens, 18mm moment lens, and I want to get this super wide time-lapse shot, so I need to clear things up and really make room and prepare. And the tip is simple. You really want to be thinking through your shots. You always want to be analyzing and asking yourself, how can I do better? And oftentimes in the moment, you just do what you can. But this is a situation where I come out here a lot to time-lapse, to shoot, to do little tips like this, and there's no reason why I can't clear that space out right there easy, which will allow me to take a better time lapse tomorrow morning. Good morning. Okay, here we got the tripod set up. It's pitch black. It's about 4:45. I need coffee, but I need to get this time lapse going. So let's see what happens today. It's pretty cloudy, so it could be a good sunrise, could be a good time lapse. Let's make it happen. So this will be a good test of the audio functionality with the Shure MV88 Plus. Not just the MV88, no, this is the Plus. I go all out for you. And I wanted to share a few tips about thumbnails because I'm about to create one now for the video I'm publishing on launching a profitable YouTube channel and all the things you want to do to ensure the money will flow. And you know, on YouTube, oftentimes what works is things that are outlandish. So I'm coming up with a thumbnail and I'm going for two things. Number one, I'm going to use just 2 words so it's super easy to comprehend. Comprehension is understanding. We're not reading thumbnails. We're scrolling. You just want someone to understand. So the title is how to create or how to launch a profitable YouTube channel in 2020. Profitable. So the thumbnail is going to say always works. When you pair that with the title, this always works, that's really powerful, but it's a bit outlandish. So one of the things I did was I chose a picture that looks very trustworthy. When you go outlandish, especially with anything that has to do with like profit or results or any kind of success, you've got to be believable, right? So I'm kind of pushing the boundaries of my claim, which is this always works, by selecting a picture that looks trustworthy. No crazy face, just kind of a warm smile and so on. These are some of the things you can apply to your thumbnails. Alrighty, let's go ahead and record that video clip. You're looking at my setup, one of two setups I have in my studio. This one came much later after monetization, after I started making money. I got a really nice light and so on. And here's the script I wrote for this particular piece. And you're looking at my lighting kit as well as the microphone. It should come into the frame any moment. And ultimately, you know, this is a second angle, a fully dedicated area in my office that I can film in. Kind of expensive, but I didn't get hooked up with this equipment until I started making pretty good money. And when I got started on an iPhone. So don't think you need all the fancy gear right away. It's really awesome to have. We all want to have the gear, but it's really important to start where you're at, to start creating videos. It's going to allow you to practice your delivery. It's going to allow you to practice editing, all the stuff, and you may end up with one of those. That'd be pretty cool. Hey, here's another tip for you really quick. When you're editing your videos, go through one time and remove anything that's not needed. And what you want when you're done with the first pass, in other words, think of editing your videos through different passes. Pass one, you just want the footage that you're gonna include. Poodle! And step two then is once you're done, let's just move over here. There you can see the footage. I've got my timeline. This is a longer video and it's about how to launch a profitable YouTube channel. So as I'm editing, I'm writing down any type of B-roll or images that I'd want to add over the top. And then I grab video footage, B-roll, images, and so on based on the words I've written down, and then I save them, and then I go back and I just drag them on top, and I do it all at the same time. It saves me a lot of time, a lot of energy, and it creates a great result. So I'm just hanging out in the studio waiting for things to quiet down. I just took a shower, so my pipes are kind of clanking, and I got the hot tub is on outside, and I understand that these are some ridiculous issues to have or problems. But the fact of the matter is, you know, I want to make sure things are as quiet as possible, so I have a nice clean audio for the video I'm about to publish. Hey Olive, you're going to be on the movie. You're going to be famous. You're already kind of famous. Yeah. You want to sit? Go ahead, sit down. I had to come outside all by myself and turn off the hot tub. I don't think you can appreciate the struggles of a full-time YouTuber. It's terrible. Go ahead, flame me in the comments. I'm ready. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Are you a good girl? Yes. Otis, do you care about that thing?